equivalent. Now, this one's kind of interesting as well, but of course, this one's going towards cancer. Now, some of the results that they've got have been pretty spectacular early on. They're moving into phase 2, so fairly early, but the treatment and the potential for this just looks like it could be something that's just off the charts, Mark. And I think what makes this so great is you've got a lot of high short interest, so people have definitely been betting against this thing going up. But they've got a strong balance sheet, which is very helpful here, obviously. If you've got the money, you can actually last a little bit longer. Maybe it gets to where it needs to go. 52-week highs today. It got all the way up to 113. It's pulled off of that. But this is one where it's absolutely ripping. The trials look very, very positive. So there's a lot of different things going on here that look pretty great. And with the short interest being as high as it is, there might be some squeezing going on, not just today, but into the future as they move along.
Yeah, I wouldn't be at all surprised by that. And this, by comparison, this is a treatment for lung cancer, which unfortunately impacts lots and lots of people in this nation internationally, of course, as compared to the previous drug that we talked about. And this is a phase 1, right? So definitely, as promising as these results look, they've got 2 more phases that they need to get through. And by the way, Pete, there's a reason why these names are so popular with these short sellers. These drug names tend to be rather binary in their outcome, right? Yep. It's not like, well, the earnings, they beat, but the guidance was disappointing, so it was up a little and sort of, no. You pass phase 1 or phase 2 or you don't. You pass phase 2 or phase 3 or you don't. And if you don't, unless you've got a strong pipeline, you're DOA, right? And so it's a very popular sort of binary bet among the shorts. That's one of the reasons you see so much short activity in these names. This is definitely one to watch. It's too early stage for me. I don't do phase 1 in terms of my own portfolio, but it's definitely an interesting story.